Navigating unhealthy relationships, recognizing their impact. In the complexities of adult life, unhealthy relationships can silently wreak havoc on our emotional well-being. Whether they stem from friendships, family ties, or romantic involvements, these toxic connections can deeply affect us in various ways. 1. Emotional turmoil. Unhealthy relationships often bring about constant emotional turmoil. Frequent conflicts and emotional abuse can leave us feeling anxious, drained, and hopeless. Suffering through relentless criticism can severely damage our self-esteem and distort our self-image. 2. Social isolation. Toxic relationships have a way of isolating us from our support networks. Manipulative friends or controlling partners may discourage contact with other loved ones, leaving us feeling disconnected and emotionally estranged. 3. Dependency and autonomy. Unhealthy relationships may breed codependency, where we become overly reliant on others for validation and a sense of self-worth. This stifles personal growth and hinders our ability to assert our autonomy. 4. Emotional neglect. In such relationships, our emotions may be invalidated or dismissed, leading to feelings of being unheard and undervalued. This emotional neglect can take a toll on our mental well-being. 5. Abuse and trauma. The most severe impact of unhealthy relationships can be physical or psychological abuse. The trauma caused by abuse can trigger anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. 6. Disregarding boundaries. Unhealthy relationships may undermine our boundaries, leaving us feeling violated and powerless. Our thoughts, emotions, and personal space may be disregarded, leading to emotional distress. 7. Loss of control. In toxic connections, we might feel like we've lost control over our lives and decisions. Dominating partners or manipulative friends can make us feel trapped and disempowered. 8. Chronic stress. The perpetual tension and emotional strain in unhealthy relationships can lead to chronic stress, affecting both our physical and mental health. 9. Cyclic patterns. Unhealthy relationships often perpetuate destructive patterns, leaving us stuck in negative cycles. This stagnation prevents personal growth and impedes us from breaking free. 10. Breaking the chains. Recognizing the negative impact of unhealthy relationships is the first step to reclaiming our well-being. Seeking support from trustworthy confidants or professionals can empower us to break free from these toxic ties and foster healthier connections. In the journey of adulthood, it's essential to acknowledge the profound impact of unhealthy relationships. Self-awareness and a commitment to our well-being enable us to identify and address these negative dynamics. If caught in such a relationship, don't hesitate to reach out for support from friends, family, or professional therapists. Prioritize cultivating healthy connections that uplift and inspire growth. Remember, you deserve to be surrounded by relationships that foster positivity, respect, and emotional flourishing. Take decisive steps to nurture your mental well-being and forge a path towards healthier, fulfilling connections. Thank you for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button to support this channel.